Hello and welcome friends to my YouTube channel. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Excited to dive into the world of data science? Confused between choosing Python or R as your preferred language? Both Python and R are popular programming languages in the field of data science, but there are significant differences between them. Python is a general-purpose programming language with an easy-to-learn syntax that is widely used for data analysis, data visualization, and machine learning. On the other hand, R is specifically designed for data analysis and statistical computing. It has a large library of statistical functions and is particularly useful for complex statistical analysis. Python is also favored by data scientists because it can be used for various applications beyond data science, such as web development and software development. Meanwhile, R has a strong community and is particularly useful for biostatistics and scientific computing. In terms of speed and performance, Python has a slight edge over R because of its efficient memory management and the ease of implementing parallel processing. On the other hand, R has a rich set of visualizations tools which make it easier to present the results of an analysis. Ultimately, the choice between Python and R depends on your specific goals and requirements. If you want to work on a wide range of projects and want to build on your existing programming skills, Python is the way to go. But if you are interested in statistical analysis and visualization, then R is the perfect choice for you. So, what's your pick for data science? Share your thoughts in the comments below.